Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda and wishing you all a very prosperous and sparkling Diwali. To start with our first segment for Monday, 20th October 2025, Nifty Index opened on a negative note but buying emerged as the buy-on-dip strategy continued. The index extended its move towards 25,780 as bulls showcased their dominance throughout. Diwali fireworks are already buzzing on the Dalal Street as the index has rallied over 1,000 points so far in October. On the daily frame as well as on the weekly frame, Nifty formed a bullish candle while continuing its sequence of higher highs for the third consecutive week, reaffirming its prevailing positive momentum. India VIX was up by 7.4% to 11.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio slightly decreased but is still at its higher levels at 1.21 level. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,200 to 26,100 levels, while immediate range could be in between 25,500 to 25,900 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 416 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,551 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 16.6%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,600 for the next up move towards 25,850 and 26,000 levels, while support have shifted higher to 25,500 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 57,500 for the next up move towards a new territory towards 58,000 levels, while support can be seen at 57,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Asian Paints, Laurus Lab, Bharti Airtel, Titan, Max Healthcare, M&M and TVS Motors. While some weakness could be seen in Infosys, Oil India, NCC, Coforge and KPIT Tech. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.